Wait, why do I get a fever when I'm sick? Why does my body feel so hot? Is my body trying to fight germs? Is fever helping me or hurting me? Who's controlling my body temperature?
Germs enter your body and begin to spread. Your immune system quickly detects something is wrong. Your immune system acts like a security team. It prepares to fight the invading germs. Your body releases chemical signals called pyrogens. These signals travel through your blood to your brain. These signals carry an urgent warning message. They tell your brain that a threat is present. The signals reach your brain's temperature center. This area is called the hypothalamus. The hypothalamus changes your body's temperature set point. It decides your body should be warmer now. Your body begins to raise its internal temperature. This is the start of fever. You start shivering to generate heat. Your muscles move quickly to warm your body. Your blood vessels tighten to keep heat inside. This prevents heat from escaping through your skin. Your body temperature continues to climb slowly. This creates a new internal environment. Now your body becomes uncomfortable for germs. Many bacteria cannot survive well in heat. Viruses also slow down in higher temperatures. Their ability to spread becomes weaker. Your body is gaining an advantage in the fight. The heat helps your immune system win. Important immune chemicals work faster in warmth. These help destroy germs more efficiently. White blood cells become more active. They move faster and attack better. These cells surround and destroy invading germs. Your body is actively fighting the infection. Your body uses a lot of energy during fever. That's why you feel weak and tired. Feeling tired makes you want to rest. Rest helps your body focus on healing. Your body reduces other activities. It focuses energy on fighting infection. Your brain carefully controls how high fever goes. It tries to keep it within a safe range. Very high fever can be dangerous if uncontrolled. That's why monitoring is important. Once the germs are defeated, your body lowers the temperature back to normal. Fever is a symptom, not a disease. It usually means infection is present. Doctors check how high the temperature is. They look at how long fever lasts. They check other symptoms like cough or pain. Very high fever may need treatment. Medicines can reduce fever if needed. Doctors monitor to make sure it's safe. Germs entering your body trigger a defense response. Your immune system quickly reacts to protect you. Special chemicals called pyrogens signal the brain. These signals tell your body to increase temperature. Your brain controls your body temperature like a thermostat. It adjusts heat levels depending on what your body needs. Fever is not random, it has a clear purpose. Your body is trying to make it harder for germs to survive. Higher temperature helps your immune system work faster. Your defense cells become stronger and more active. Feeling tired is actually part of the healing process. Your body is telling you to slow down and recover. Once the infection is controlled, the fever goes down. Your body returns to its normal balanced state.
I used to think fever meant something bad was happening. I would feel worried when my body got really hot. But now, I understand something amazing is happening inside my body. My body is actually trying to protect me. And I can trust it while it heals.
Alright, let's test your brain. Think carefully before you answer. What causes fever? Cold air, germs, water, sleep. Which part of your body controls temperature? Heart, brain, lungs, skin. What is the main purpose of fever? Make you weak, help germs grow, fight infection, stop breathing. Why do you feel tired during fever? Energy is used for fighting. You didn't sleep, you didn't eat, you were bored. What are pyrogens? Bones, signals, muscles, organs. Did you get them right? The answers are waiting in your worksheet download. Download your free worksheet and test your brain. If you enjoyed this, share it with someone you care about. Learning grows stronger together.
See you in the next episode.